TMD and temporomandibular joint dysfunction, you have a lot of jaw pain, a lot of facial pain. We often treat these sometimes we treat them with bite splint to help during the nighttime to take stress off your joint, let your teeth line up a little bit better so that your muscles aren't mad and you wake up feeling a lot more relaxed through your facial muscles and not so tense. If after the treatments that we have available for you you're still having symptoms, we have specialists in the area that are able to help you out and get you feeling a lot better.